Hi, my name is Tian Chi. My final project is street market design. I am currently working on a project in Kenya, which is a 4,000-acre medical campus. Within the campus, we do want to provide some commercial area. If you look at the shopping style in Kenya today, most people still relying on street market, which is very popular. However, one problem with street market is because Kenya sits on equator, it can get very warm in the daytime. So provide some shading structure is critical. So when people come and shopping, they can have a more comfortable experience. Here is a rendering of the final design. We can see the design consists two parts. The first is a rainwater harvesting container, which is on the left, and on the right we have the shading structure with a smart roof on the top. Okay, let's first see how I got this container. It all starts from a very simple circle here. By moving, copying, and scaling this circle, I get a set of curves which basically defines the frame of the container. The next step would be to find the points on those curves. The idea was I can connect those points later to generate the facade of this container. The tricky part here is to organizing the data structure. This is almost the same as what we learned from one of our lectures. So I have to shift the list so each point on the so I can connect the points I wanted to be connected on different curves here. Once I got this data structure reorganized, I can use interpolate command to connect those points and get the curves I want to be the frame or the facades here. This is how the container looks like. Next, let's see how I created this shading structure. It starts from the four curves I created here, and it represents the boundary of the roof surface. The next was to split the surface so I can get smaller subdivisions. And I want to find a smaller square in each of these subdivisions and make it hollow so that the sunlight can come through. What I did was I wrote a Python code here, which is what we learned from the class recursive rectangle. Instead of find the midpoint, I try to find 1/3 of the parameter of each parameter. So we can see if we change the number slider here, we can get different recursive rectangles. Then what I have to do is to find the smallest rectangle here and find the subdivision and use solid difference to get the hollow here. The last feature of the design is I can change the color of the roof based on outside database. So as we can see here, the roof was given different color, mostly green, red, and black, which are the colors appeared on their national flag. So we have Excel, and which will decide the color here. It has sheet 1 and sheet 2. Different numbers are assigned to different cells to represent different colors. So when we change the sheet number here, we can get different colors. This is my project, and thank you for watching.